Rise and grind, rise and grind. What's going on, YouTube family? Appreciate you guys for tuning in. We back on Nelson Farms and it's feeding time. Today I'm gonna talk to you guys a little bit about how we feed, how we go from, what type of foods we give our animals, why we choose them, and how we alternate or offset our costs from going to the store, buying a bunch of feed, spending a lot of money. And the way we do that is we use a lot of our scraps that you would normally throw in a trash can and they'll just go to waste. You'd be surprised that your animals really love those scraps, man. Check it out. We got some old lettuce right here. We got our chickens. I just threw out. It's a good little healthy alternative for them so they don't have to just eat grains all day. I let my chickens free range, as you can see. So whatever they find, they pretty much eat it. Look at that. They're tearing that lettuce up, ain't it? I got some other stuff in too. I call this my goodie bag. I got some old apples, some old peppers that I feed out. Look at that. Look at that rooster. I like apples. This is how you keep your flock healthy. Giving them a healthy alternative. It's fresh. Well, maybe not for us, but it's fresh to them. Everything's been refrigerated. What's up, Dusty? It's my man Dusty right here. He likes apples too, don't you? You like apples? Yeah. Give Dusty some apples. Dusty. Here you go, boy. Dusty like apples. Oh yeah, I got some good stuff for y'all. I got some good stuff for y'all. Look, I can leave the gate open, they won't even leave. They know I got food. They want some of this goodie bag too? Come on. I usually have to take their pan. They won't even let me put food on there for them. Hey, stop biting me. Come on, relax, 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 relax. It's gonna come. Got them some Chick-fil-A soup. Hey! Boy. Oh man, I panicked. I panicked. I panicked. I panicked. One of y'all just bit me. I'm gonna let it slide this time. Look at that. That's it. That look like a nice spread. Looks like a nice spread, people. I guess they didn't care about my video. They did not care about my video, guys. Well, y'all have at it. Enjoy. Get back. Let me get that. Let me get that top. These dudes will eat the plastic and all. Let me get that. Let me get that. Woo! Almost took me out, man. You don't play with the pig's food. You learn that real quick. I'm up here trying to do a informative video. They weren't feeling that. One of them took a chunk out of my leg. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's how we feed Scraps. Just another cost-effective way to kind of save money on just buying food from the store or buying grain. Grain prices are going up. So if you need to save a few bucks here and there, feed your animals your Scraps. They'll love it. Majority of the time it's harmless to them. It's doing more good than bad, so you know, just take that with you in your tip bag whenever you got animals. Peace. I see you, buddy. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Guess they didn't like me too much.